Guys, welcome back to another quick tips video. So today we'll be talking about the difference between a perimeter and a circumference. Now, both of them actually refers to the same thing. Both of them are measurement of distance or length around a shape. Now, perimeter refers to any other shape other than a circle, and circumference refers to a circle. Now, let's have a look with perimeter first, then we will go on with circumference. Now, for instance, if you have a shape of a rectangle with a measurement of 5 meters by 3 meters. Now, how do we calculate the perimeter of this rectangle? Now, I like to use the analogy of you going to a park. So for instance, you come to the park and the park is a rectangle park. And you were to jog around the park and go back to the same place where you were. Now, if you were to calculate how far have you jogged, that is the perimeter. So for example, in this question, so you have 5 meters plus 3 meters. So you have another 5 meter here and then another 3 meter there. So 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 will be 16 meters. So that will be your perimeter. So let's have a look into circumference now. Let's first write that down, circumference. Now, a circumference again is the measurement of distance or length around a circle. So let's draw a circle. Now we'll use the same analogy of you going to a park which is circle in shape and you were to jog around the park and come back to where you were. Now, the distance that you have jogged around that circle is the circumference. Now, to calculate the circumference, you need one measurement, which is what we call the radius. So a radius is basically the distance between the middle of the circle to any of the edges. That means that's a radius, that is also a radius, that is also a radius, right? So for example, if the radius is 5 meters, you would need the circumference formula, which is circumference equals to 2 pi r. So pi refers to the ratio of the circle, r refers to the radius. So now for this level, we will just understand that at face value. So we know that to find the circumference, we need the formula circumference equals to 2 pi r, and r refers to the radius. So now the radius for this example is 5 meters. So you would go as 2 pi is 3.142 and your radius is 5. Now, if you do the calculation, you can use calculator for this obviously. So you would go 2 times 3.142 times by 5. You will get 31.42, and the most important to make sure that you put the unit of measurement. So the distance that you have jogged for this particular circle shaped park is 31.42 meters. Easy peasy. Now, if you would like me to explain more into perimeter and circumference, do comment on this video and we can go more into this topic. Thank you.